So, I am simply heartbroken. I am heartbroken. Um, so, yeah, this is a... Okay, I have to go again. Okay,
Dike just arrested Kpokpogiri, Mr. Kpokpogiri. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. Today matter na about Mr. Kpokpogiri. Na a matter I want to talk about today. Una know say this Kpokpogiri, many of una don't know am. Wey be say in the date Tonto Dike, after Tonto Dike leave Churchy, now this guy in come dey follow, you understand? Everybody be dey happy say this one see dey different for Mr. Churchy, so people come dey happy for Tonto Dike. Now my darling people, my correct people, wetin come shocktalize me now be say this guy can't even worse pass Churchy. E can't even be like say na Churchy send am come to Dike life. Because I remember say wait to Dike the day when he introduced this guy as his boyfriend. Now that day he even buy car for the boy for his birthday. Everybody come say Tonto Dike, you not sure say you overreact for this thing to buy car give man again. Because I remember say Churchy that time you talk am say now you do the marriage. Now say this Tonto, he just like to dey spend money for man I be waiting. Now so we reason before we can see say this one now. And then everybody come shocktalize because they say okay but they look, sit down look, that be dog then we come they look. So they come they flash the guy they follow and they go everywhere. Two of them love each other the way we take look and before. So before we can see say quarrel come happen, they say Tonto Dike and the guy not come dey again. And so we can hear am. It come shocktalize wetin come even baffle everybody pass be say the boy na baby prince. Na prince him be, but na baby when dey inside na him be. Because in dey behave like small pikin. This guy now, small thing just happen. He begin to publish Tonto Dike audio. He begin to talk different things about Tonto Dike. Then he can't go dey follow people wey be say then with Tonto Dike not dey play. You can't go dey follow all of them for Instagram. Then those ones can say we don't need your friendship. We not dey do friend like that. You understand? Now say why this guy they behave like this? So you want go dey make friend with them so that you go dey gossip to them. Say now so Tonto Dike talk this one for your body. Maybe na that kind of guy na him be. He goes to go follow Churchy. Very anyhow person, that guy. Very anyhow person. You understand? Did you pay me say Tonto was just too blind not to see say this guy na fake. Every fake they smell follow am, my darling people. Every fake they smell follow am. I don't know why he treats Tonto Dike like this at all. Tonto Dike not deserve this from you, this guy. He not deserve him. I beg, more than they look me before una follow. Especially when you don't feel born pikin. This guy very anyhow person. Not be better person at all, The way they take treat Tonto Dike. You know, I don't know whether I see one voice record where it take place where he say after 3 months, which of them no he can't catch Tonto Dike with another man for bed. It was a setup. Now he set Tonto Dike up to bring the guy come the house according to wetin dey happen right now, my darling people. He set am up, then he can't carry Tonto Dike. He can't the audio, he can't dey play am for everybody. If you want set her up, they say na he work, na be that one. So that make they collect money from Tonto Dike, but he not can work out for him now. Now, as I dey talk to Nana, Tonto Dike don't take police now, they go arrest him. My darling people. Now say Tonto, you be too even quiet, just dey look and make they commit nuisance. And your pikin sef, if you don't even dey like him, why it be say Tonto Dike not dey able dey jam better guy? I bet look where this time before you enter. Look where. Eh? They just dey come your life make they take dey famous. Like this guy now. He don't use you now take dey famous now. Everybody now don't know him. But begin come dey invite him now, make come dey talk, because now wetin churchy see use you do. Now still be this one. I beg next time, my darling, please look where before you enter. Look where. Many pretenders they outside. I know say now say ask me now say they write am for head. No, they're not the write am for head. You understand? But look next time before you enter, my darling. Please. Make them not they use you like this again. Very bad. Very bad. The way that they treat Tonto Dike is not good at all. So my ogbonge people, anything you wanna think about this video, wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. So I go post the video. Mona Sian. Thank you. Bye.
So, I am simply heartbroken. I'm heartbroken. So, yeah, this is a... Okay, I'll take it again. Okay, okay, yeah, you know, the mini takes we take before we start the real thing. Well, let me start the real thing. Yeah, I am super heartbroken, and that's because I learned that I have to go offline for 72 hours. I don't know why that is. I don't know why I have to go through that to get my Instagram fixed. For over a year, I've been stagnant. I've been on 6.8, but my backlog is telling me 11 or 12 million or so, or even more. And it's been very worrisome. And I happen to hear that 72 hours log off does the trick. So this is me giving Instagram a 72 hours break. I'm heartbroken because this is my streets. You know, these streets are my streets. And in as much as you all think that Instagram is play and it's just social media, well, this is where I make 50% of my money. And this is an office to me that I respect so much. And being out of my office for 3 days, it's just so emotionally draining. It's going to be physically draining and also financially draining, because Instagram is an app that I make money from every day. So you understand where my heartbreak is coming from. And aside that, I am really going to miss every one of you. I'm going to miss the gist. I'm going to miss the gossips. I'm going to miss your comments. And, well, yeah, I think I should just officially use this to thank the whole world, Nigerians, Africans, women, everybody across the whole world was like a global thing. Thank you very much for standing up for me. It was overwhelming. For the first time in my life, I get to understand that I'm not alone. And that was really cool. So thank you so much. Yeah, aside that, again, I'm gonna miss you guys. I'm gonna miss my fans. I'm gonna miss the comedians, comedy. I'm gonna miss the Jews. I'm gonna miss I miss you all. So, I actually wanted to open another page so that I can observe things that are going on, hear gossips. But I started to feel like, you know, opening another page would make me feel like it's a fake page, you know? And I've always had the idea that only cowards have fake pages. You know, what I cannot say with my page and what I cannot say directly with my mouth, then I can't say it anywhere else. You know, I'm a very bold person, so if it's not coming from me directly, and it's not me. So that's my buhaha about Ale, let me call you back, baby. So that's my wahala about the whole being online. But I think so yeah, I think it's just be healthy for me to just, actually use the 72 hours to also, mentally, check out. I mean, that would really be great. Although I don't know what I have to be doing mentally for 72 hours, but that's what motivational speakers say. So, so I think I'll just try it. So maybe I'll just, be out of Instagram and be out of Instagram, not have another page, look for it. Although I have my Grub and Rub page and I have my foundation page, but I think I need a detox. So I won't be going to any of them. I'll just wait for all the gist to accumulate for 3 days and I'll come back and I hear all of that.